So literally, you don't have to make a video to make money on YouTube. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start a YouTube cash cow channel in 7 steps. 1. Find a profitable niche. On YouTube, if you don't have a niche, you won't grow. Also, with this cash cow YouTube channel, we don't want to just rely on YouTube ads revenue. So we're going to choose a profitable niche that has some good affiliate products. So here are some cash cow YouTube channel ideas that I have in mind. Personal finance, health, parenting, pet, personal development, psychology, relationship. But if you don't like any of these niches, don't worry, because there's more. So how to find a profitable niche? Go to digistore24.com, then you click on the marketplace right here. Then you'll see these categories on the left side. So business and investment, computer and internet, email marketing, education, fitness and health, food and drinks, games. And with these niches, you can find the good affiliate products on Digistore24. So if you like the fitness, click on fitness and check out the good affiliate products right here. This keto desserts looks really good. Maybe you can make a keto diet channel and promote this product. 2. Research 10 high score keywords. So you have your niche, it's time to research high score keywords to make a good content. So how to find the high score keywords? Let's use vidIQ. It's a free YouTube SEO tool. And with vidIQ, you can find the high score keywords really fast. I use the pro version, so if I just type the YouTube cash cow and I sort with the overall score, then I get the high score keywords right here, the related keywords to my niche. So this is how I find my keywords. But if you don't want to spend like $8 or $10 a month, you can find it for free as well. So just type YouTube cash cow here on YouTube. Then you can see the keyword score right here with the volume and the competition. So you can just continue doing this, like, okay, YouTube make money. So this one isn't so good, but if you see the related opportunities, we'll click on this one, make money on YouTube without recording videos. It's 72. So just like that, you can just keep going. It's unlimited. It takes more time, but it's free. 3. Pick a good channel name to grow. If you don't think that YouTube channel name is that important, you are so wrong. I got over 4,000 subscribers in 4 months, and I can guarantee you that my channel name brought more than half of my subscribers to my channel. So what's a good YouTube channel name? Just remember 2 things. 1. Be super specific. 2. Include the main keyword. I'll give you some examples. Jade Choi $1 Million Challenge, Daily Keto Diet with James, Email Marketing 101 for beginners, Morgan's Instagram growth hack. So just like these names, with one sentence, you can tell what this channel is about. 4. Write a script with a hook. Now it's time to write a script with your 10 high score keywords. So I try my best to include those vidIQ 10 high score keywords in my script. And the reason why we need a hook is that when people watch our video, if you can't get their attention in 30 seconds, they are more likely to just leave your video. So start with a hook, then give them the value of this video, and then include some call to action. So just basically ask them to subscribe and like your video. 5. Create a video in 3 minutes. So now you have your script, and it's time to make a video. So if you use Vidnami, you can literally make a video in 30 seconds. So choose the template, write my script right here, and create scenes. Just like that, in less than 30 seconds. So this is the video that Vidnami just made it for me. And if you want to make some changes, you can just simply do like money and change it to this one. It's that simple. 6. Upload with SEO. Now your video is ready to go on YouTube. And to optimize your video, you need to put your high score keywords in your title, description, and text. Remember those 10 high score keywords? So include them in these sections for your video and create a nice thumbnail for your video to attract more viewers. 7. Promote your channel. So your video is already up on YouTube. Now you have to promote your channel and your videos. So what do you think is the best way to promote your channel? Post it on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest? The best platform to promote your YouTube channel is YouTube. Promoting your channel on YouTube is the most effective way to attract the viewers to your channel. So this is exactly why we need a good and specific channel name. So when people see your channel name on other popular videos comment section, they get curious about your channel and they click on your channel name. So what you have to do is that you have to watch new YouTube videos from popular YouTubers on your niche and write a good comment as soon as you can to get more likes. And when people see your comment, they check out your channel if they are interested in. Tons of my viewers found me through my comments on other YouTube videos. So this method works so well that I got 4,000 subscribers in 4 months. So this is how to start a YouTube cash cow channel in 7 steps.